Raj?
Good evening. Good evening.
Yes.
This is R.K Raj. I am from India, Tamil Nadu. Is a southern part of in India. So I joined this company, Nigerian Foundries, 2 years before. So I am working with the capacity COO, Chief Operation Officer. Just this foundry, just regarding the foundry, I can tell. Foundry generally will be two types. One is iron foundry, another is a steel foundry. You can tell that. So this iron foundry is a castings. Normally, both are castings only in iron field as well as steel field. Normally, we are producing castings for both foundries. Where are the applications? And just before going to that, I will just tell my background experience. So I have around 35 years experience in globally and different countries I worked.
Like which countries?
Malaysia,
And India?
in India,
Okay.
and Nigeria.
Okay.
These are the different countries I worked. 35. I worked in very reputed company in India, like LMW, Lakshmi Machine Works. Is a very reputed number one in the global regarding CNC machine manufacturing. So I worked in Sandpits, another one foundry. They are making around 3,000 to 3,500 tons per month. And another very reputed company is Jaiswal Nico Limited. They are having the group only foundries itself. Total 5 foundries in their group. Only foundries, different foundries. I worked there for 10 years. I worked in LMW and the southern region, that is Sandfits and Randpa Castings. This area I worked as a CEO, Chief Executive Officer in that company. And my core experience from project to product, If you want to make on greenfield you can set up. So I can start from the ground, commissioning, erection, everything. So we have done that kind of experience I have. So what are the castings that we have produced for different field applications? Different field applications in sense. Normally castings is widely required. Everywhere castings is required. So field, like you can say machine tool is a one CNC machine. You can say around, it depends what is the capacity of the horizontal machine or vertical machines. Minimum 1 ton to maximum 4 tons is required for one CNC column, bed. These are all these things. And agricultural department, tractors are very important. Tractor, in one tractor it will be around 1 to 1.1 tons is required for one tractor. Castings only I am talking. So agriculture industry is everywhere, is in very big scope in agricultural. So in agricultural, whatever the castings requirement I worked. And automobile sector, all areas, cylinder blocks, cylinder head. So these are all automobile sector, you can say. And axle housings. Nowadays, when I am expertise in axle housing, first time in India I am talking. India, normally in you can say that axle housings, these axle housings, two wheel will be fitted in the truck. You can see the back side, the propel shaft will be there. So where the steering is there. There will be one axle housing will be there. Here attached with the back wheel drum. So in this way only tractor will move. So this axle housing previously, I am talking about 20 years before. 20 years before, it is almost everywhere in fabricated steel only. Maybe 2 mm, 3 mm section thickness steel. They are bending, they are doing die type, and they are making and welding everything. So where the gear oil will be there, propel shaft will be rotating onto that. In this movement only, bike wheel is getting moved. Propel shaft only. So this in fabricated means, if you want any problem in the fabricated, again we need to cut it out. We have to do the cutting. Again we need to do the welding. So these are all complications in the fabrication stage. So we were in the R&D. Yeah, research and development. The first time in India, we introduced my team. I was the head of that team and that research and development. We introduced the spiral graphite iron instead of fabrication steel.
Count it again.
If a spiral graphite iron or ductile iron, you can say ductile iron. Spiral graphite iron or ductile 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 iron, you can say that. This is SG iron. Instead of fabrication steel, we started first time in India. We started producing very big 2.8 meter length, 2.8 meter length axial housing. We started earlier easy, one casting, not assembled one, single casting. Single casting we used to successfully. First time we introduced that axial housing for MAN. Is you know MAN truck. You have seen the MAN truck, MAN MAN. This they collaborated, this MAN truck people, with the force motors in India. They collaborated each other. So these force motor people came to our company and they were discussing about this, how to convert this fabrication. So we had the facility. Asia's biggest machine we had that time. Asia's biggest machine. That machine box length is 2.8 into 1.3 into 0.5 is the box size. Box size, very big length. It is very big. And the machine name is Kunkel Wagner molding machine, high pressure molding line. So high pressure molding line. So we were just thinking how to utilize this machine. We don't have that much big job. So that machine is ideal, and instead of that we are producing drums, brake drums from that machine. That is, you can say, underutilization of that machine. And we are not getting any money at all. So that time, fortunately or unfortunately, people come. They told, why don't you make axial housing from this machine? So we have done around. We have taken around 8 to 10 months for doing the R&D. If you pour this, what will happen? All these things we done. So successfully, after 8 months, first time in India, from that company, from that particular machine, utilizing the capacity of the molding dimension, molding box dimension, we first time introduced the axial housing casting for MAN truck from Jaiswal Nico Limited company. So we produced first time 4 numbers. We have done the machining, everything. After that they fixed in the vehicle. They have taken their 6 months time because different load condition, all these things. Why this is required in ductile iron is flexibility will be there. The ductility will be there. So it will bend and go. Truck will be always, it will be, you see, in the truck, in backside, you will be having the spring steel and the spring steel. Patta, we used to call spring steel.
For the
Suspension.
leaf spring.
Yes. We used to call in India springs, I don't know here what the spring steel we used to call. This spring steel onto that axial housing, this whole load will go like that. It will not crack. The LG tech that the casting special character, mechanical properties, you can say, which is a 400 by 12, that is 40 kg tensile strength. You can say that 40 ton we can able to carry that in that load, in the truck load. So for up to 40 tons, and onto that there will be jerk load. If you go into the
pothole,
any cavity in the road,
pothole.
Yes, jerk load we used to call. Jerk load will be too much. So to all these things, the axial housing should be in a position to bear this load.
Okay.
So that was the very big challenge was there. So we have overcome that challenge, introduced this axial housing for MAN Force. That means MAN Force Motor. That is a MAN Force company. So they were very, very happy. We got very big celebrations, award, everything. Then after that, you will not believe. So one by one, Arlicon, one MNC company is there. You might have heard about that company.
Which one?
Arlicon company is a MNC company. So that MNC company, immediately they approached us after introducing this axial housing to them. They introduced They also came. No, we want to develop for their own
Application.
vehicles, for their vehicles. So truck, all these things.
Sorry, the Orlicon, spell it.
Orlicon. Orlicon.
Is it the same people that make guns? They make weapons.
No.
Not the same
no,
one?
No. They are vehicles, sir.
Okay.
They are vehicles.
Okay.
They are vehicle, big earth moving vehicles they are making
Okay.
actually.
Okay.
So we made casting for them. After that, slowly, other one big company in India is Tata Motors.
Tata Motors, yeah.
Tata Motors. They approached us. We have produced casting for them.
Okay.
Tata Motors. So Tata Motors, Arlecan, Man Force, and Dana India, Spencer Group. Dana India, for them also we made. And Mysore Axle one company is there. We made axle housing for them also. After this, we converted that particular company. We converted that particular company for axle making company around 350 tons per month.
Okay.
That was the greatest achievement in my career, I can say. So
Okay.
I am very proud to be a part of a team, and I was leading that team. So we under my leadership, so we introduced this project successfully, handled successfully this. After that, we